Dai Pancino, su. Dobbiamo andare a New York. We gotta go to New York. Ready to go. Bye bye, sweet home. Driver is late. Hey, hi. How are you? Oh. Thank you. Have this. This bag. Thank you. And the dog stays with me. Okay.
1.7 miles. Turn right.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Can I tip through the app?
Yeah.
Because I don't have cash with me.
It's okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye. See you.
Oh, you're still waiting now.
Yeah. Andiamo Pancino. The flight is 45 minutes late. This is my dog. Here. Okay. I want Pancho to pee before we take off. Okay, Pancho, let's have a walk. The last pee in LA. Okay, Pancho went to the bathroom, so he's gonna be in his bag from now until New York. Vieni dentro, dai. Yo, dai, dai. Bravissimo. Bravo. Bravo. Okay, last time I did a metal detector, I forgot my watch in Rome. This time, I hope I didn't forget anything. Oh my god, my shoes! A good thing of traveling with the dog is that when you go to the metal detector, you don't get through the machine that scan your body. You just do another line and they check your hands with a piece of paper to see if you have explosives with you. The flight has been delayed. We don't know what to do. Maybe we can do some yoga. Okay, stretch your spine. Yeah, like that, Pancino, bravo. Aspetta lì, fermo. This is my first vlog. And it's so difficult to manage a dog, food, luggages, tickets. I'm so hungry. Chino.
Hi. I like her sweater. I like that color. Take care. Yeah.
Pancho is sleeping. And very soon we will be on the plane.
Puedo comprar agua y tengo mi tarjeta de crédito para sacar mías.
Bye-bye, see you.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, stacco. Got it. And here we are, New York City. Mwah.